Kitchen on the Street started in 2006 around our dinner table. We heard a story about kids going through school cafeteria trash to have food on the weekend. My husband and I heard that story at our dinner table, and that night we did some research on the internet. My husband said, "We have a hunger problem in our city. I think we should start a nonprofit to help these kids. I think we should call it Kitchen on the Street, and I think we should start tonight. What do you think?" I thought he was a little crazy. I still do, but we're here 17 years later serving kids.
So right now they are deciding how they would like to spend their Smarties, which is their money, whether it's healthcare or housing or food or technology. So they are having a fun time figuring out what is important in a budget.
It's been incredible to see how the kids respond to having an opportunity to serve other kids that are just like them, go to school every day, kids that are their age and right here in their same community. It's made an impact on them to be able to serve other students and be able to see the kids that they serve.
It's great to know that now we can help kids that are less fortunate than us at Kitchen on the Street, because it's a great organization and it's super fun doing it too. They make good helping kids very fun.
I love that Northwest invests in our kids and shows them the outreach outside of the Northwest walls.